So, who's Erika?
She was one of us. She had the affinity. She was gonna fight alongside us. But Rinko didn't want her getting involved. Erika had her own reasons. That freak in the mask. These are the apartments she mentioned. Building C's gotta be somewhere.
All right, I'll look around.
What's taking you so long? He's going to get what he wants if you don't hurry. The source of that fog is a shrine to the southwest.
Got it. Sorry to keep you waiting. You ever find Erika?
Erika? No, we've got bigger things to worry about. Now get going.
That's cold. Too cold. Not like her. Erika?
Looks like she's trying to tell us something.
Maybe. But who do we trust? I know who my money's on. This is the place.
Something feels off.
Getting bad vibes. Search around.
They were really stocking up.
Is that Rinko? Wait, someone else is there.
I remember her from the hospital. She's with him.
I knew we were dealing with a fake.
They must have taken Rinko when she came here looking for Erika.
I guess the cat's out of the bag, huh?
You could say that.
Good. Then I don't have to sneak around anymore. I'll just leave you in here.
She disappeared.
She's around somewhere. Find her.
KK! I'll hold her back. Get her! Now!
Rinko. Damn, you screwed up that.
And I'm trying to make up for it. Hurry!
KK, over there.
Rinko! Don't think I've forgiven you.
Yeah, well, I didn't expect you to. But we can at least fight together again, can't we?
Maybe. It all depends on you. What the hell is going on? Rinko, hold her back a little longer.
We're taking Rinko back. We're back outside.
I don't see Rinko. Find her.
This looks like that park from before.
Hey, check out that psychic energy. So she broke off from Rinko and bolted.
Where's Rinko?
Oh, thank God. Glad you're okay.
Yeah, we're fine. But what about you?
Nothing to worry about.
You sure about that?
I'm me again. Plus, I picked up a few things from that whole experience. I know where the fog around here is coming from now. I'll fill you in.
Now? Oh, let me find a pen or something.
No need. The nice thing about being in this form is that the physical doesn't hold me back anymore. I'll just transmit it to you now. The rest is up to you, boys.
Let's get on those new Tory gates. These apartment blocks always give me a bad feeling. They're just too quiet. Don't stay in the fog. It'll kill you. Out! You can't survive this! Is this?
That's Shibuya Love Hachi, the Shibuya mascot. I've gone too far. I can't do this for long.
Don't stay in the fog. It'll kill you. We're no help to anybody. Don't stay in the fog. It'll kill you. Can't survive this! You got a death wish? Quit it! to anybody.
That took you long enough.
Yeah, that's on me. Push it. Back off!
Looks like we're getting close now.
Keep your guard up. The enemy's bound to try something sooner or later. Yeah, just like that. Changing my mind about you. better get over there quick. Hey, quit it!
Oh, what's this? Wonder what this is.
Looks like they sell Katashiro. The more we got, the more efficient we can be rescuing souls. These talismans will let us jump up to high places. Bet you could use these to hide from enemies. Should be able to use this to get to high places fast. We done yet? Come on, let's go. The light should be coming from further in.
What the?
People's spirits. All the ones they've been gathering.
But there are so many.
You get less worked up over things the longer you're a detective. Couldn't do our jobs if we let everything get to us. But every now and then, you still run into cases that just knock you flat on your ass. Case in point right here.
Yeah, I get what you mean.
That feeling in your chest, screaming at you to make it right. Hold on to that feeling. It's what gives life meaning.
We can go through here. What is he going to do with Mari?
That guy's the reason I got stuck with these powers. It's all one big science experiment. He'll use your sister without a second thought. Just focus on saving her.
No. We can't have our lab rats scurrying from their cages.
You!
KK! Wait! Where's Mari?
A fascinating reunion, but that will have to wait. The ceremony is soon to commence. I have no more use for either of you. It is unfortunate, but you are both beyond salvation.
What are you saying? Give her back!
Alas, you are too late to speak your final farewells. She has already taken her place atop the final stage.
She's what?
There remains work yet undone. Critical work. I shall have these two look after you in my stead.
You really think this shit can bring back the dead?
KK. What are you talking about?
This crackpot wants to harvest a ton of human souls to connect our world to the next. His wife got sick and died 5 years ago, and now he's trying to bring her back. I'm sure his daughter would be so proud of what dear old dad has become. Holy.
KK. What's the deal? Who are they?
Forgive me, but I believe I have misled you. My wife and daughter understand me perfectly. I have but to beckon their souls back from beyond. Special credit must be given to my daughter. This barrier would not exist were it not for her.
You sacrificed your own kid for this?
The body is not but a vessel for the soul. Why must one be attached to a thing so ephemeral?
This guy is cracked.
The time is nearly upon us. I shall have her keep you company.
Ripping us apart! KK!
Akito, you can't fight her head on like that. For now, get where she can't see you.
KK! You okay?
The source of her power. Pull him out. I'll help.
Okay, got it. Try to sneak up behind her.
I get it, Erika. I really do. But I just can't make that call. I can't.
I just wanted to fight. Dad. Mom. Always protecting me. I'm always standing behind somebody else. For a long time, it never bothered me. But it's different now.
I bet this could slow her down.
Those tails are the source of her power. Pull them out. I'll help.
Okay, got it. I'll try to sneak up behind her.
Yeah! Don't cross the ball now!
Those tails are her weak point.
You found another one? Fine, but this is the last one, seriously. Better come up with a name.
I was just like a cat, sitting around, being taken care of. But is that a way for a person to live? No, it's not. Not at all. I'm just a cat. Locked in a cage.
Source of her power! Pull him out! I'll help!
Okay, got it! I'll try to sneak up behind her. Won't get anywhere fighting fair and square. I need to hide and wait for an opening.
You're in position! Now!
Just gotta keep this up.
It's such a strange feeling. The harder life gets to deal with, the emptier I feel. But no one understands. Just a burden, always being protected. I'm a hollow shell, waiting for someone else to decide who I am. Barely even alive. Not many really.
You should stay there. It'll be safer that way.
No, this is wrong. It's wrong! I deserve to live too!
Those tails are the source of her power! Pull them out! I'll help!
Okay, got it! I'll try to sneak up behind her. gotta think of a way to stop her from moving.
Running for you, Akito! Move it! Don't attack from the front. Pull back or things get dicey.
Won't get anywhere fighting fair and square. I need to hide and wait for an opening.
Tails are the source of her power. Pull them out. I'll help.
Okay, got it! I'll try to sneak up behind her. Got it! KK! I'm sorry. What the?
So close again. Damn it!
KK, we need to go after him. She's still not done.
Stay out of this. Leave the dirty work to a pro.
It's unforgivable. What he's done.
It's not gonna end till he's stopped. Let's go.
Right. that?
You got me. Sure as hell isn't anything good, though. Hey, don't go getting cold feet on me now.
I won't. Let's go.
Hey, Akito, you hear a phone ringing?